to health matters now. The National Agency for the Control of AIDS has inaugurated a committee on the elimination of mother-to-child transmission of HIV-AIDS in Kwara State. Inaugurating the committee, the Director General of the Agency on AIDS, Dr. Temitope Ilori, said efforts are on to create an enabling environment for ending AIDS as a public health by 2030. Chairman of the committee and the Deputy Governor of Kwara State, Kayode Alabi, promised that the state will eliminate mother-to-child transmission and ensure continued access to optimal treatment and care for those already infected.
Some of the approaches we can use, to be able to ensure sustainability of this response is to make sure that we integrate HIV services into the national health scheme. Like we said, we try to avoid all these vertical programs, but rather let's have an integrated program. Let's strengthen our government mandated structure. I know there are lots of renovations and upgrading of our primary healthcare hospitals. So let's continue in this line and ensure that we equip it with the necessary resources, human resources, medications and medicine, and provide the necessary technical assistance as we go along.
We as a people and government have zero tolerance to HIV transmission, especially our unborn children. We through this committee to be inaugurated here today, plan to ensure that HIV transmission to any child through birth is a thing of the past in our dear states. We will hence ensure continued access to optimal treatment and care service to already infected children, ensuring they live optimal and useful lives.
We're just here to reduce the number of children born with HIV. And today and always, every time this meeting meets, we will remember that. If we are filling forms, if we are holding meetings, if we are flagging off, the goal remains reduce vertical transmission from infected mothers to children.
In other news now, relationship experts have identified overexposure to social media as the leading cause of celebrity divorce cases. This comes on the heel of a recent revelation by singer Tubaba announcing his separation from his wife Annie on social media. Senior reporter Theophilus Elama spoke with marriage counselors on how celebrity